Okay, so here is a picture with 4 layers, and you've got the layers here. This is important. This is where you do the moving of the layers. And we got in the foreground, we got the writing. Then next, we got a picture of me. Notice the writing and me is in front of this blue thing, which are the ventricles in the brain. And then everything is in the front of the background here. Now, if you look here, the bottom right hand side, the background is at the bottom, the blue is next up, I'm next up, and then the writing is on the very top. Now if I move the writing here to the background, so I'm just going to slide it down here, it's gone because it's behind this, because this is a solid picture. And if I move these, well, let's say swap these over. I'll swap my picture with the blue one. So my picture is here. I just click on it, move it down below that. Now I'm behind it because I moved. So in the foreground now, we have that. Now, if I want to move the writing in, maybe I'll take the writing right up to the top. Oops, where's it gone? Got to move. You click on it, you pull it up. So there it is, it's right at the top. I want to move it down one. Slide down, go on, there we go, behind that. So that's how you do it. You can just move them around. If I want to have the background right to the top, I move that right up to there. Go on, go. Click, click. There we go. Everything is hidden behind there. So you can show this to people, say, look, I'm going to do some magic. And you don't tell them you're doing this. You're going to say, I'm going to make some blue things arrive on it. And you just move that down. Oh, look, magic. And then you say, and now I'm going to get some writing on top of it. And you move that down and nothing happens. Go on, move down. There we go. Ah, look, we got writing. And now I'm going to put my picture in it. Move that down. There's my picture. Now we're going to move them around, get them in the right order. So we want the writing. Well, let's actually, let's just do it the other way, because it's hard to move them up to the top. It's much easier moving these down. So we want to move this down to here. So now, there you go. It's all back as it was. I hope that's helped you. I made this video because I couldn't see how to do it, and there weren't any other videos. So there it is. Anyway, look, you can watch this free of charge. This is on YouTube. My channel is holographic breathing, which you can see, and there's loads and loads of free videos to learn holographic breathing, and you can heal your brain and your cranial fluid from this particular video. All right, thank you for listening.